This is our shear. It's for cutting sheets of material, mostly skinny stuff, up to about a 1/16 of an inch in aluminum or about a 32nd of an inch in steel or harder materials. This machine, we put our material flat down on the table. There's fingers along the machine. When you step on the pedal down here, it's going to lower the fingers of the machine, and then the blade is going to come down and cut it off as you continue stepping on the pedal, slicing your part off. When this pedal comes down, make sure your other foot is not underneath it. You don't want to step down and crush your other foot underneath it. So what we are going to do again, you want to line your part up so it is being held. So it's right now it can move all around. As you start to step down, the fingers come down and will hold that in place, and then you can step down and cut off your part. If you're trying to cut the end of your part so it's perpendicular to an edge, there is a rail right here. You can put your part up against that and then slide your part in, so when you cut it off, it will be nice and square. On the table, there is a scale that can be kind of hard to see. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video. So if I line up the edge of my part with that 9-inch mark right there, my part left on this side will be 9 inches. So you can use that quick scale if you want as well. So what we're going to do again, I'm just going to put my part up against the side so the end will be square. I'm going to slide my part in. If I have a mark on my part of the length that I want, I can look between this finger rail and the actual blade down in this slot, and I will be able to see my part. I do not have a marker on this, but I can slide and adjust my part, and I can see that I'll be cutting the whole edge right now. So now that my part is set, I'm just going to step on this pedal. The blade is now going to come down and cut that part right off. So I just sliced the edge of that part right in line with that blade, nice and square. So it is a little easier to see. Right now I do have it crooked, which is completely fine if you're trying to cut angles. But when I step on this, you will see the finger comes down, holds that part. Now that blade is coming down, slicing it right off. Again, this machine can only cut soft materials like aluminum, steel. A 1/16 inch is the thickest sheet of aluminum you can probably cut. And the longer it is, the longer the cut is, the harder of a time you're going to have to do it. Steel, you probably only want to cut up to about a 32nd of an inch. And again, same thing, the longer the cut is, the harder it's going to be. If it's too long, we might not be able to get through the whole piece, but we can see. If you're not sure, ask the machine shop staff and we'll be happy to help you.